Hello, I need help with installing an SSL certificate for my website. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Can you please tell me what kind of SSL certificate you have purchased and which web server you are using? I purchased a domain-validated SSL certificate and I'm using Apache web server. Okay, have you generated a ESSR certificate signing request for the certificate? No, I haven't. How do I do that? No worries. I can guide you through the process. Please log into your server and open a terminal or command prompt. Then type the following command to generate ACRU. OpenSolRec new key IRSA 2048 nodes. Key out your domain. K out your domain. Replace your domain with your actual domain name. This command will generate a private key and a CXIR. You'll be prompted to enter some information such as your domain name, company name, and location. Okay, I've generated the CXIR. What do I do next? Technical support. Great. Now, you need to provide the CXIR to the SSL certificate provider to get the certificate issued. Once you receive the certificate, you will need to install it on your server. Do you have the certificate file? Yes, I have received the certificate file from the SSL certificate provider. Perfect. You will need to upload the certificate file and the private key to your server. Please copy the certificate file to your server and save it as your domain. Sheave it as your domain. Create then private key file your domain key to the server as well. Next, you will need to configure Apache to use the certificate. Please open the Apache configuration file, usually located at etc.conf, and add the following lines to the virtual host section for your domain. Slingine1. SSL certificate file EO path to your domain. SSL certificate key file EA path to your domain. Key. Replace ES path to with the actual path to the certificate and private key files on your server. Finally, restart Apache to apply the changes. You should now have a valid SSL certificate installed on your server. Caller. Okay, I'll try that. Thank you for your help. Technical support. You're welcome. Let me know if you have any further questions or if you need further assistance.